Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this cordless air duster. So this is a really nice air duster. It takes USB-C charging, so we do have a cable, but you do have to supply the power supply to plug this in to charge it. It's got an on-off switch. You're simply going to turn it on. We've got 3 speeds. Press the button, that's high. There's high, low, medium, and high. And turn it off. That's our battery status indicator. That lets us know how much battery we have. Now, I like this attachment. It blows the air to a really fine point so I can get a lot of power with it. Turn it on. And again, I can bump it up. There's high. And turn it off. It's not super loud, easy to hold in my hand, but it's got some really neat attachments. So if you need to suck the air out of an air mattress, that's what these are for. These go on the back because this is the suction and it's going to blow out that way. So you put this on here, you can suck the air out of an air mattress, or you can use this to blow up an air mattress also. You also got this attachment. We can also put these other ones. This is like got a brush on the end. That's pretty nice. If you want to get down in your keyboard or something, that's really nice actually. And then we can go to a really, really fine point. We've got this. We can put it on the end of this. Let's see here, this one here. No, it doesn't really go on that one, but we can put it on this for sure. So we got a really, really fine point. So another thing I like, it does have an LED light. I didn't think I was going to like that LED light. I didn't think it would matter that much, but it actually works really well when I'm doing my dusting and that. I can actually see what I'm dusting. So down at the bottom, it does say it has a 2000 milliamp hour battery inside. The input needs to be 5 volts, 3 amps. Output is 70 watts. Let's go over size. So it stands about 7.5. With that nozzle on there is about 9 inches. Width-wise, that's about 2.5. The handle looks like it's about an inch and 3/4, and that's about 5 inches. Oh, it says that really fine point is for swimming ring, like to blow up like those little inflatable balls, airbed nozzle, vacuum bag nozzle, airbed exhaust nozzle, and a brush nozzle. I'm just really happy with this air duster. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.